Designing robots from scratch is really, really hard, especially when you're designing chassis, designing motor control systems. And sometimes people get stuck in that base level foundation and they don't even have the opportunity to go on and build the rest of the robot.
I was a teacher in a really small Title I district, and I taught math, engineering, and robotics. I noticed a lot in the classroom. Students were really struggling with getting hands-on and being afraid to fail.
The Blueprint ecosystem is really meant to kind of hit a lot of the kids that have been left behind, but more importantly, it was designed specifically for the classroom, build a system, run the lesson, and taken apart in a class period.
All designed to make the robotics education experience more accessible and more engaging for early adopters in the classroom. I got introduced to robotics as a freshman in high school. I had no experience or background in engineering or any kind of technical skill. A few months later, I was machining and molding carbon fiber, and I was hooked.
It can help kids get to that point where they see the magic sooner. And then they're gonna want to take those deeper dives and work harder through more frustration and challenges. But you have to give them that magic moment early.
And so what we've done with Blueprint Robotics is taken a lot of that fundamental core principles that you're gonna have to build anyways, and we pre-built it.
You can assemble a whole robot in an hour just with plastic pieces, and you can tear it apart with your hands. It's very fast.
Because we all aspire to be great at something. You don't have to be athletic. You don't even have to be a super genius. You need to have some grit, right? You need to have some stick-to-itness. You need to have some creativity, and you have to have that desire.
One of my big missions has been to create products that help students and educators really be okay with moving through the engineering design process, getting through failure, and getting to success faster.
Learning how to work in those collaborative environments when you're young and when the stakes are just winning or losing a robotics competition really prepares you for more real multidisciplinary work when you get older.
Realistically, every one of these students should be engaging with robotics no matter what their ultimate outcome in life is going to be.
I want every kid to know that it's for them.
And they feel that success. They feel like they can do this. They feel like they can succeed with it, and like they're curious enough to continue to move on with their robotics education.